After class 10 or 11, 12, in which online class you should learn? Learn Academy or PW? If you want the suggestion from me, then I will only say that learn from PW because it has the course. Let me show you. If you want to prepare for NEET, then PW NEET. It is J NEET, UPSC, GATE. Here you can check class 9 to class 12. So it is for class 9 to 12 and it is for first to 10th, mean 1 to 10th class. PW Curious Junior, PW Parents up there, PW Talk. So if you want to learn in PWG or NEET, it the course is from class 9 to 12. You can join in class 10 also. 11, 12 when you want to join. It will prepare for your NEET exam. NEET and G it will prepare. And Unacademy is only Unacademy only this app. No more of Unacademy. Educator Educator app is there, Parents app is there, Central Life. You will get here the recorded classes or Central. I think I don't know. But if I want to search it, PW Books of NEET is also present here. But if you want to learn in you were thinking that I will learn from class 5th means standard 5 to standard 10, then you can prefer the Unacademy. And one more thing, Unacademy is launching his own AI Una. It is the very good opportunity to the students they are learning in Unacademy because there will be 3 modes in Una: quiz mode, doubt solving mode, and summarize. Let's summarize. So, like and subscribe. I will meet in you with next topic and in next video. Like and subscribe my channel.